We go to meteorologist Chita2.
That's right. For the rainfall estimates, we're going to take this from this evening all the way through Monday morning here. And just like Mike was saying, the rainfall estimates not going to be that impressive. We're only talking about a half to an inch of rain here over the next couple of days. As far as the snow goes, take a look at this. Around 3,000 feet, we could see up to a foot of snow over the next 48 hours. So some heavy accumulation there. And then once we go above 6,000 feet, we can actually see 2 to 4 feet of snow. Now, if you're curious how the snow actually transitions into the rain, take a look at our snow to rain equivalency here. Typically, on average, it takes 10 inches of snow to really equal 1 inch of rain. This is a cold storm, though, so the moisture content is pretty low. So we're actually going to be talking about a little bit of that drier snow here. So it's really going to take about 15 inches of snow to equal 1 inch of rain. So keep that in mind. It's a pretty low snow to rain equivalency. A big concern also with this storm will be the road conditions, which that'll take effect here for tomorrow. Shaded here in the yellow here, that's going to equal where you need chains. If you will be doing any holiday travel, grab the chains and continue to check our road conditions, which is on our website. I do want to show you a quick picture here from Cedar Pass. Take a look at this. This is at 6,000 feet. You can see snow really covered here all throughout the area, and this is just going to continue to pile up for your Saturday. We're going to continue to bring you team coverage here throughout the evening. Mike, I'll send it back to you.
Thank you, Cheetah. The road.
Good morning to you. It is 6:39 on your Tuesday morning. Well, we are going to see pleasant conditions today, but expect significant changes by our upcoming weekend. Let's go ahead and take a look at your weather headlines here. We've got mostly sunny skies expected for today with above average temperatures once again. But for the rest of the week, we're going to see this cooling trend, and by our weekend, we're going to see much cooler temperatures. Not only a big change in our temperatures, but we're also going to see the wet weather return as well. Now, we're starting off this morning in the mid to upper 40s throughout the valley, 46 in Redding, 48 there for Red Bluff. In the higher elevations, we're starting off in the 20s and 30s. But for our overnight lows, that's typically, when we reach our coldest temperature of the day, this is what we're actually going to see for our afternoon highs for our upcoming weekend. So that's the cooling trend that I'm talking about. The purple here is indicating where we're seeing the coldest temperatures, and watch over the next couple of days as I advance this here. We're going to start to notice this happening by Thursday evening into Friday morning. This is the leading edge of that cold air indicated by the purple here. We're still going to see fairly mild conditions for Thursday. But by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, notice how this colder air dives southward. We've got this cold pocket of air sitting right on top of us, and that's what's really going to change up our weather pattern here. Today, we're going to be about 12 degrees above average. We should be about 62 degrees for this time of the year. I'm expecting a high today of 74. And really, the reason why we're going to see these above average temperatures is because we've got high pressure in control. And as we see this ridge of high pressure in place, that's going to block the colder air and, of course, the wetter conditions to our north. High pressure has really dense air in it, and it causes it to sink. That's going to, of course, dry out our atmosphere, and that's going to limit the moisture that we see, and that will limit the cloud cover that we see as well. That's why our temperatures today, because the sunshine will be warmer, and of course, we're going to remain dry. This will be the case for today, tomorrow, even into Thursday, but by Friday, the colder air will drop southward, and we're also going to notice the first chance for some shower activity. So this is Friday at 4 o'clock on our precision cast here. Notice light green, that's indicating really light moisture here. We could see a few sprinkles for our Friday afternoon, but that's about it. Really, the moisture that's going to be moving through is pretty limited. By Saturday and Sunday, it's a little bit of a different story, though. We're going to see more widespread moisture move in. So notice the areas of orange and red. That's indicating heavier activity. We could pick up about a half to an inch of rain for our Saturday and Sunday combined. So a big pattern change expected towards the end of the week and our weekend. But today we've still got high pressure in place. We're going to see mostly sunny skies, mild conditions really for most of the higher elevations here. 50s and 60s, 64 in Weaverville, 55 there in Wairika, 54 in Mount Shasta. In the higher elevations, of course, the higher in elevation you travel, the cooler your temperatures will be. That's why we'll see 51 in Alturas, 57 in Susanville, 60 degrees there for Bernie. Throughout the valley today, we're going to see warmer temperatures above average highs because of that high pressure that is in place. We'll see mostly sunny skies. Temperatures around 73 in Chico, 75 in Corning, 73 in Orland, 72 chita2 this afternoon in Willows. Mostly calm winds. Temperatures today in the mid to lower 70s, even for the North Valley. 74 for the city of Shasta Lake, 74 in Redding. Anderson with a high today of 74 degrees. And Red Bluff, you'll top out about 75. Here's a look at your first alert 7-day forecast in Chico. Here's that cooling trend, big time. Upper 60s for your Wednesday. Notice the added cloud cover as we start to see some more moisture move through. Thursday, we're going to see temperatures in the lower 60s. Friday, mid 50s, and then take a look at the weekend. What a change of how we started our work week off. Your first alert, 7-day forecast in Redding. Mid to lower 70s today, upper 60s by your Wednesday. That cooling trend will continue with lower 50s by Friday and upper 40s for your Saturday and Sunday. We are going to see widespread showers, and your snow levels will be dropping as well. That's going to be something that we're really going to have to monitor very closely. But today, compared to what we're going to see this weekend, pretty big changes in the forecast.
Absolutely. Make sure that heater is in working order for the weekend, huh?
That's a good idea.
All right, Cheetah, thanks a lot. It is 6:43 now on this Tuesday.